I got a Lego set from eBay and it needed a little bit of cleaning. First I dumped the Legos into a bowl. I choose a metal bowl, but any bowl, washing bowl should be fine. We gotta put some soap on top of these Legos to get them squeaky clean. Then I fill up my bowl with water. Instead of having to scrub every single little Lego piece, it's usually pretty good just to let them all sit in the soapy water. It will get them all clean. So now we just got to get all that soapy water off the Legos. I use a strainer that won't let any of the Legos sift through. Now just with some clean water, we just got to rinse the Legos. Rinse it a few times. I usually do about 2 rinses. Now the last step is drying them. I just lay out some towels, put the Legos on the towels, I give them a quick little rub and then just let them sit for about 24 hours. The next day, bada bing, bada boom, you got clean, fresh Legos. I also gave it a clean, fresh bag. We got a little kitty visitor joining us. And sorry I don't have a way of cleaning instructions yet. So I guess you'll just have to deal with it or get good instructions. Bonus surprise, we got 3, 1, 2, 3 boxes from Lego. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. That's what we ordered from Lego. That's the good stuff. Okay, you'll never guess. Big box equals tiny little Technic plane. So this was one of the new sets that just came out for 2021, and I'm actually really excited because it has some folding functionality in it, and it flies. It should fly. We'll try it. We'll build it together and we'll throw it and see if it actually flies. But it's a fun little set. I'm excited to build it. You'll never guess. You'll never guess. More bubble wrapping. Maybe you did guess. I purchased this at the same time that I purchased the Lego Technic plane. So I guess they sent it in 2 boxes. We got little Bruni. And then our free gifts, the Monster Book of Monsters and the Ace Skating Rink. Let's see who can guess this first. What is it? Ho 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 ho! Look at that! It's the I call it the Slav. Maybe it's the slave one, but it's nevertheless Boba Fett's spaceship. So this came back in stock on Lego.com. I think for the last time. When I saw it come back in stock, I was so excited. I just clicked, and said buy. So I bought it instantly. This is probably the last Slav 1 Anniversary Edition that has been made by Lego. Well, thank you for joining me in the cleaning of Legos and opening these Lego sets. So join me at twitch.tv/FilmerTim to join me in building these Lego sets. We do it every week, so come have fun with us. See ya. Bye.